good afternoon, all afternoon, and that you'll be with us again at 6:30 tomorrow morning, at 2 o'clock tomorrow.
You, I could be so true, true, true.
In 1955, the court ordered that the nation's separate school system should be integrated with all deliberate speed.
We shall overcome.
Murder in the first degree, premeditated homicide, is the most serious charge tried in our criminal courts. You have heard a long and complex case, members of the jury, and it is now your duty to sit down to try and separate the facts from the fancy. One man is dead. The life of another is at stake. If there is a reasonable doubt in your minds as to the guilty of the accused, then you must declare him not guilty. If, however, there is no reasonable doubt, then he must be found guilty. Whichever way you decide, the verdict must be unanimous. I urge you to deliberate honestly and thoughtfully. You are faced with a grave responsibility. Members of the jury, thank you.